Granite countertops are tough, but they're actually porous, meaning tiny holes in the stone can absorb spills and cause permanent stains if left unsealed. Even something as simple as oil, wine, or a bathroom product can start soaking in within minutes. That's why sealing your granite is so important. It keeps your stone protected and looking new. Start by clearing the surface and cleaning it thoroughly with a gentle stone-safe cleaner. I'm using Granite Gold's daily cleaner because it came in the pack, but any non-acidic granite cleaner works. Wipe it dry and let the surface completely air dry before sealing. Moisture can prevent proper absorption. Next, working in small sections, spray or apply your granite sealer evenly across about 2 to 3 square feet at a time. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to rub it in using circular motions. Don't let it sit and dry on its own. Wipe and buff it until the surface feels smooth and even. If you let it sit for too long, it can create a white hazy look and you'll need to reapply and wipe it off again. So once finished, let the sealer cure for at least 24 hours before exposing the stone to water or any heavy use. You can test your seal by placing a few drops of water on the surface after it's cured. If it beads up, you are protected and good to go. By taking a few minutes to clean and seal every 6 to 12 months, you'll prevent stains, resist moisture, damage, and keep that deep natural shine for years to come. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.